Washington. A group of Colorado voters who tried to keep former President Donald Trump away from Republican primary vote of province asked Supreme Court to decide whether Supreme Court was constitutional for presidency. In an application made with Justice on Tuesday, 4 Republican lawyers and 2 voters who were not affiliated said the case in front of country's highest court is of great importance. They said that the question was decided when they made the primary ballot compasses. The voters called on Supreme Court to appeal from Colorado Republican Party, but asked Justice to decide that so-called rebellion of Constitution covered former presidents. This court claims that established precedent does not provide right to mix voters of Constitution and to complicate with candidates who are not suitable for holding office they are looking for. Colorado Republicans appeal Colorado GOP Supreme Court last week. Trump's January 6, 2021 because behavior of public office was disqualified 43 divided by Supreme Court Colorado. December 19 decision to review December 19 decision. The state's Supreme Court. Trump or Colorado go pun to allow High Court to review decision until January 4. He confirmed that state would be listed as a candidate in primary ballot. The turning point of Colorado Supreme Court is thought to be not suitable for White House for first time in accordance with 14th Amendment section of a presidential candidate brought in state. Trump said the Colorado court's decision last week that the people of Colorado embarrassed our nation with what they've done. On Thursday, Maine Foreign Minister Shenna Bellows, a Democrat, was dismissed again because of Trump's actions on January 6 rebellion. The first state is the election official. While applying to Court of Cassation, although decision from 6 voters Colorado courts was right, case has brought up an important federal law that should be resolved by country's highest court. The 14th Amendment banned an former president who dealt with uprising against the uprising against Constitution. 2024 since the primary elections of the presidency are close. There is no time or time because they should allow these problems to be further imitated, they defended. If Supreme Court does not take steps now, millions of voters said that there are risk of throwing votes to Trump in the states where their name listed in primary ballot, but there are risk to find out that it disqualify later. In a separate file, Colorado Chief Public Prosecutor Philip Weiser called court to consider case. Considering importance of problems presented upcoming election of Colorado, he said whether it was valid for area and former presidents whether states had authority to apply precautionary measures. Weiser, this case expedited solution. Colorado voters in primary elections of presidential elections Trump will not serve as president of. Vote will allow ballot.